Hi guys, welcome to Shiva Sai's Perseverance Software Training Institute. I'm Sai Chiran. In this particular video, we'll see what is a server. You will be listening here and there. You will be while watching some of the videos or some of the documentation. It says more about sorry servers. All right, what is a server? Yeah, let's understand. See, you know what is a computer, correct? Okay, so computer, so we have different types there, meaning is uh, categories, meaning if you carry it portably, if you are able to carry it portably, that is basically a laptop. If that is fixed somewhere, right, it is a personal computer. We also call it as desktop, many as such, right? So I mean, desktops are the ones which are actually fixed, right? It is personal to you, PC. Laptops are something, it is portable, we can carry anywhere. But ideally, if you see all the requirements which helps us to run a computer is, we have CPU, like heart of a heart of a computer. We have RAM, right? It helps the computer system to run any softwares, right? We have storage to store some data like hard disk, C drive, D drive, and all. We will be able to see, right? Yeah. Then power supply, without this it cannot kickstart. Then operating system, what is operating system, without which we cannot communicate to the digital world. Then cooling, so the heat which is generated within the hardware will be exhausted towards uh, outer part from the system using this cooling fans, right? It will be available even in laptops, desktop, any of the computer systems. So we call them as computers, right? See, now what is a server? See, basically, let me go through a very simple example, right? Computer is something which actually we will be using in our daily life. Server is nothing but a computer actually, okay? But server is something which have a very very high, huge capacity. It should handle many of the requests. Let me explain you that. So let me go through the next slide. Here, a user is operating his own system and he's browsing. He's opening a web browser which is like Google Chrome. We have Opera, Microsoft Edge, any of that. And then from Google Chrome we have something like the website names, right? So www.perseverance.com, consider it as a website name that he is typing in, meaning he's connecting to the internet, world wide web. And this is the site name. .com stands for commercial actually, okay? It tells it is a commercial site. All right, fine. Then if you see, during the moment we request the something on the browser, it will show something like this, loading and all, right? Meaning of that is, when the user requests something, it goes to somewhere. It is a very huge computer in which this perseverance.com will be available, and from there we get the response. In that cycle, it shows the loading symbol like this. All right. So now if you see, let's resume to this slide. So from when perseverance.com is typed in, it is loaded from somewhere. So it connects via internet to the huge computer where the software is available. Perseverance.com is available. From there, the response comes to the system of that particular user, correct? And this is where we call as servers. We can call them as computers, but technically it's a technical name, right? Because this servers will serve many of the customers, right? See, let me tell a simple example. We have a hotel, so traditional hotels where we call the people. If I want to order some food, right, there will be a role whose role is named as server in the traditional hotels, I'm telling. In latest restaurants and all, we call them as waiters, right? But if you see in the traditional hotels, they still call them as servers, because if I ask something, he will serve me. If I order some food, he will serve that food to me. That is where, if I am requesting perseverance.com, this is serving me. That is where we call this as server, right? All right, got it, guys? Fine, guys. Thank you so much. We'll see and get back with a very new informative video.